Hello YouTube, this is Snowwolf. Today I'm going to talk about the different types of cameras that you can expect to build by yourself. This 4x5 camera, for instance, is a new one. It's made by Intrepid. It's a 4x5. It's very expensive. Even though this is one of the cheapest ones on the market, it's quite expensive. So that's actually the main reason why I would consider building your own camera. What types can you build by yourself? And you can keep it very cheap and very easy. You can just build a pinhole camera. That's actually just a box, cardboard, wood, metal, or whatever, with a small hole on one side of the box, and that's it. That's actually the pinhole camera. There we have it already. Okay, this is a bit more intricate. Got a lot of pinholes, but that's the basics. You can step it up a notch. You can make a little camera pinhole again with a little hole. Here a tripod mount, no problems. The back, here you can see this pinhole camera can take multiple shots. So normally there's a dark cloth behind this. And you can take out the picture paper, insert it here, and then lock it up, and just take your picture. That's an option. You can use an existing camera like this one, the Polaroid land camera. I destroyed or took off the back and put a sort of changing bag here, so I can use the openings of the changing bag, put my hands in, and to change the film or the paper that's inside. I can use multiple shots, and for the rest I can just still use the camera even with the battery and all the adjustments. No issue there. Well, that can be your camera. You can also make a big one out of wood. This is a sliding box camera. Very classic looking. I did it on purpose. And then you actually can slide this box back and forth to adjust. You can do this with existing film holders. This one from Fidelity. You can make it fit, no issues. Or you can make your own film holders, which what I did actually. Is the ground glass. As you can see, this is just a bit preliminary. It's not really the end result. The real one will be made of the glass. Very simple, very easy with Scotch tape, but it works. Then these are the dark slides, or better, sorry, film holder. See, this one I need to fix still, but actually just a frame that I made into a film holder. They're light tight, don't worry about that. End result will look something like this, but I need to make it black again. You can just stick your paper or film in, close it. Here, another one. This one is not made, is half made of wood, another half is actually sort of sliding system here, but I will make a separate video about this one because it's very fast and easy to make and it's excellent results. Also for this one I made a ground glass by myself in the same way. Very easy. Also film holders. These are also very easy to make. Cost nothing. Very cheap. Then you can also make a fixed lens camera. So you put a lens in here, and the lens itself can go in and out a little bit, so you can adjust the settings of the lens a bit. And at the back I just used a standard back from a 5x7. So it doesn't look very good because I'm still working on it, but that's also a type of camera you can build. Yeah, I think that's it. These are the different types of cameras you can build. So please like and subscribe. Bye bye.